Guys, the Stampede got in a big crash. This chassis is absolutely cracked, and the bulkheads are cracked, and the skid plate is broken too.
So I gotta fix it.
So the first part that we need is the chassis, and I got one right here. This is part number 3622R, and this thing is only 10 bucks. And we also got an RPM bulkhead for it. Part number 73752. RPM just makes stronger plastics, and this should last a lot longer than the one that was already on there. And this was about $12. And sadly, our hobby shop did not have the skid plate, so we're not going to be able to fix that right now.
But we could fix the rest.
So first, I'm going to take off this skid plate so I can get out the way. Now, I'm going to take apart the front. Guys, it looks like this screw is bent, so I'm going to take off this so that it's easier to take out. Alright, let's unscrew this. Yeah, guys, look at that. It's just slightly bent. But you could easily hit that back into place. There we go, guys. It's coming apart. Look at this thing. Boom! Bulkhead off. And there goes the chassis. There we go, I'm done taking this broken chassis off. I don't need it anymore. Let's get in this thing. Alright, let's get the back on it. Guys, now I'm going to put on this bulkhead. Alright, let's put them together. Now I need to put this piece back onto the servo, but that's not something that I could do super easily. Well, I mean, it is easy, but you can't just put it on. You have to make sure that the wheels are perfectly straight whenever you're putting it on. And I also have to make sure that the servo is straight. So to do that, I'm going to plug in a battery. So whenever I turned on the ESC, I did hear it set into place. So now the servo is straight, and you can see now turning it. So I have to make sure these wheels are straight now. That looks pretty straight. And now I screw that in. Alright guys, it's all fixed. Sadly, I can't fix the skid plate right now because the hobby shop that I go to doesn't have any right now, and RPM doesn't make them. So it's as fixed as it could be.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful to you if you needed to know how to do this. That was a pretty big crash that it took. Make sure you guys subscribe for more RC content, and check out our other two channels, Speedsterz and Speedsterz Shorts. I'll see you in the next video.